In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in your newsfeed or just want to take control over what you see on Facebook, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account on a web browser. This process is easiest to perform on a computer rather than a mobile device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the down arrow. This will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings Privacy, then choose Newsfeed Preferences. Now, in the Newsfeed Preferences section, you'll see various options that allow you to customize your feed. What we're interested in is the option labeled Unfollow People and Groups to hide their posts. Select this option, and you will be taken to a screen that shows everyone and everything you are currently following. Here comes a crucial step. You'll see squares with either people or pages that you can choose to unfollow. Clicking on a person or page will allow you to unfollow them. Unfortunately, there isn't a default feature on Facebook that allows you to automatically unfollow everyone with a single click. So here, you have to manually click through and unfollow the ones you no longer wish to see in your feed. As you go through these profiles, take a moment to review each one. Sometimes, you might find that reconnecting with certain pages or people is beneficial. Remember, unfollowing doesn't mean unfriending. You'll still remain friends with the people you're unfollowing, but you simply won't see their posts. This is a great way to declutter your feed without losing that social connection. Once you're finished, simply close the preferences and return to your news feed. You should soon start noticing a significant difference as your feed reflects the changes you've made. If you later decide you want to follow someone again, just return to that same newsfeed preferences area and adjust accordingly. One pro tip is to regularly revisit these preferences to keep your feed updated according to your current interests. Facebook can be a very dynamic space, so maintaining control over your feed will enhance your experience significantly. And there you have it. By unfollowing those pages and profiles cluttering your feed, you should begin to notice a cleaner, more focused content display. I hope this guide helped you in simplifying your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.